Blessed with scenic beauty, rich cultural and ethnic diversity, the state Sikkim has emerged as the best tourist spot for Indians and as well as foreigners. From picturesque tourist attractions like Gangtok, Peling, Lachung and Namchi to mouth-watering Sikkimese cuisine to snow-capped mountains, Sikkim has it all. Today me and my friends will tell you more about Sikkim.
Kanchenjunga Base Camp is one of the ways to relish the true essence of Sikkim culture. It is like experiencing the entire state through a journey that will lead you to around the height of 14,000 feet above sea level. Kanchenjunga is the world's third highest peak, and going on a camp to the bases of this mighty mountain can surely give you a thing to brag about. The trek to Kanchenjunga starts from Zrongi, which is the last road lay around this peak. Adventure lovers will surely enjoy their experience at this thrilling base camp, which is nestled so close to India-China borders.
Located right in the middle of the Himalayan range, Gangtok is one of the most picturesque places to visit in whole of India. It presents the perfect image of India's great and varied topography. This holds true for most parts of Sikkim as well. The Tibetans were defeated by the British, making Gangtok a major step over in the trade between Tibet and British India by the end of 19th century. Today, Gangtok is a cosmopolitan city with all kinds of modern amenities one would like. It has a vibrant nightlife and several nightclubs, restaurants, shopping complexes, and pool parlors as well. The growth in its state has been slow, and so it relies heavily on tourists for its income. Strict rules have been laid down to make sure that visitors feel safe and are not treated with unreasonable cab fares. Apart from this, one of the most famous foods of Gangtok include momos and also thukpa. An important center of Buddhism, this charming hill station is surrounded by beautiful scenery at every step, especially stunning views of the snow-capped Mount Kanchenjunga. It is also a good base to visit Sikkim's Buddhist monasteries, high-altitude lakes and passes. So now, my friend will continue speaking about one more thing.
These three immensely beautiful villages, soaked in Sikkim's culture, surely hits your list of places to visit in India. You must go and explore Lachin, which is a really small village in North Sikkim. This village is the home of Tibetan nomadic tribes during winters. However, Lachin is not as popular as other tourist destinations in Sikkim, but this place is worth a shot. It is a gateway to really beautiful lakes named Guru Dongmar and Sulamu lakes. Lachin, Lachung, and Yamthang Valley are three peaceful and perfect destinations in Sikkim, which you must not miss on your visit to Sikkim. Lachin will give you the best experience of peaceful time. Lachung is perfect to relish snow, and Yamthang is the place you must go to catch on the beauty of the flower valley of Sikkim.
The Guru Dongmar Lake is the highest lake in the world and in India at an elevation of 5,430 meters according to the government of Sikkim. It is located in the Great Himalayas in the Indian state of Sikkim and considered as sacred by Buddhists, Sikhs and Hindus. The high altitude lake is located 190 kilometers away from Gangtok, the capital city of Sikkim, and about 5 kilometers south of the Tibetan border in the district of North Sikkim. The lake can be reached by road from Lanchen via Thangur. The lake, fed by glaciers, is located in the north of Kanchenjunga range in high plateau area connected with Tibetan plateau. It provides one of the source of streams which joins the Zolamu and then from source of Testa river.
Paling, a beautiful town in the West District of Sikkim, has become the second biggest tourist destination in Sikkim after Gangtok. The main attraction of the place is the breathtaking sight of the Kanchenjunga, also has sites for mountain biking, rock climbing, village tours, meditations, apart from serving as a base for a number of treks in the region. The scenic town of Peling is a perfect holiday destination for all nature lovers. Situated between two old Buddhist monasteries, developed into a full-fledged village named Peling. Today Peling is one of the best chosen tourist hotspots in Sikkim. More than that, Peling is the heart where all the breathtaking tourist spots of West Sikkim can be visited. A destination for all seasons, Peling has hotels and resorts catering to all.
Nathula Pass is around 53 kilometers away from the main city of Gangtok. This place, apart from being one of the best tourist places in Sikkim, is also a politically important point in Sikkim. Nathula Pass connects India to Tibet, which creates an amalgamation of Indian and Tibetan culture around this place. There is a famous border trade called Sherathang, from where you can buy a souvenir for your friends and family. You can even shop for Tibetan items from this vibrant marketplace.
Sikkim tourism is incomplete if you have not experienced whitewater rafting on River Tista. River rafting in Sikkim is one of the most popular adventure activities that one can enjoy along with family and friends. The Himalayan wonderland Sikkim greets you with its two mighty rivers, Tista and Rangit. Tista River originates from eastern Himalayan trek and makes foaming white water, and perhaps some of the best rafting stretches of the world. The long stretch of Tista River is excellent for rafting for beginners as well as for seasoned rafters. River Tista eventually forms the boundary between Darjeeling and Sikkim. In fact, it is also known as the lifeline of Sikkim. There's a popular folk tale that the people of Sikkim believe. It is said that River Tista and Rangit were very good friends and wanted to meet in the plain. They decided to leave their homes and flow down. Year 2, Tista reached first and Rangit, misled by his guide, was late. When he reached the plains, he was furious to see his friend there already. He refused to meet her and stormed ahead, and Tista had considerable calming to do. The depth and strong current of Tista not only supported life in the hilly district, but also made the hilly area very vibrant with a touch of green. Hence, River Tista is a place you must visit.
Sikkim, the land of love, beauty, and adventure.
Sikkim, window of the Great Himalayas.
So eat, roam life, and fall in love with Gangtok, Sikkim.
Sikkim, where nature smiles.
So you should definitely visit Nature's Abode, Sikkim.